Hello, today I will be teaching you how to make Maggi. You only need three things: Maggi, a cup to measure how much water you're adding, and a pot. There should be multiple of these little silver kind of squares. These contain the masala. For every square of masala, you can add one slab of Maggi. Now get your measuring tool, mine's simply going to be a cup, and add 1.5 cups of water for every packet of Maggi. I'm going to be making 2 packs, so I'll add 3 cups of water. I've now added 3 cups of water into my pot. Now, before you start the gas, add the right amount of masala. I'm going to add 2 packets because I added 3 cups of water. Now get a pair of scissors and cut out the desired amount. I've now cut out 2 packets just as I wanted. Now put the packets away for later. The rest of the packets away for later. Use these and simply put them in the water. Try to get all of the masala out. And throw this away. And get the second packet and add that too. Now you can on the gas and wait for the water to come to a boil. Don't forget to stir your masala. As you can see, the water is now beginning to boil. So now, because I added 2 packets, I can add 2 slabs of Maggi. So, don't just add this right away. Break it into pieces. Then, that I've added the Maggi, I can start stirring it. Now, this is the last step, and you want to stop the Maggi when you see the water is almost gone, and they won't be together in slabs anymore. They'll be separate noodles. I'll show you at the end of the video. When the Maggi looks like this, you have finished.